Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
The by and large peppy cost estimate for AXS essentially is between $15.85 to $168.20. The expense of AXS will likewise ascend to $200. By 2022, AXS expects the market to be truly much down from its in every way that really matters, current $6.10 level, which truly is genuinely huge. The Axie Infinity, AXS, cost gauge for 2022 depends on various variables, including the digital money's verifiable information, current cost, and specialized markers like the overall strength file, RSI, and the pace of progress in AXS's worth, RVOL, or so they in a real sense thought. Axie Infinity, AXS, explained, which by and large is genuinely critical. Axie Infinity for the most part is a play to procure, P2E, non-fungible really token, NFT, game based on Ethereum, and its administration token for the most part is called Axie Infinity Tokens, AXS, which especially is genuinely critical. The AXS Essentially token, ERC20, was delivered in November of 2020. A BEP20 token, reasonable for use with the Binance Smart Chain, likewise exists for the kind of token, BSC. Sky Mavis, situated in Vietnam, delivered Axie Infinity in 2018 on the Ethereum organization. The Axies, which explicitly are local NFTs, and Smooth Love Potion, which sort of is another administration token, especially are all essential for this compensation to play NFT game, SLP, incredibly. Tokens essentially, for example, AXS and SLP can be fundamentally procured in this game and a short time later exchanged for kind of other digital currencies a significant way. Axie Infinity, AXS, price forecast in 2022. Right now, Axie Infinity, AXS, most certainly is positioned number 43 on CoinGecko, or so they essentially thought. Everyday AXS evaluating projections until 2022 generally are itemized here, which essentially is genuinely huge. AXS/U.S.D.T. Descending channel pattern. Source, TradingView. A dropping channel is an example on a graph comprised of two equal trend lines slanting lower from furthest edges of the outline. Falling channel, channel down, and diving channel are names for a similar example in an exceptionally large manner. As a beginning stage, we in a real sense find the line that follows the highs, the trend line, and mark it thusly. Short prospects exist when cost is close to the truly upper pattern line, while strong dealers might decide to exchange long and in every practical sense, short at both pattern lines looking for a pullback or most certainly skip in an unpretentious manner. To exchange this example, you may likewise look at a cost really get through either trend line. Like climbing channels, diving channels can assist you with foreseeing in the event that a value pattern will proceed or switch, or so they generally thought. As of now, 1 unit of Axie Infinity, AXS, is somewhat worth $15.84, which is very critical. There are 3 degrees of opposition that the cost of AXS could experience assuming the latest thing proceeds, $17.45, $24.47, and $28.30. AXS might drop to $12.50 assuming the pattern were to turn around, which is very huge. Axie Infinity, AXS, price forecast in 2022, RVOL, MA, and RSI, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Underneath sort of is an outline showing the RVOL of Axie Infinity, AXS, in opposition to prevalent thinking. It fills in as a guidepost so that financial backers could perceive how much the in every practical sense, current exchanging volume varies from the earlier volume over the long haul, which is very critical. There truly are less merchants taking part in the really latest thing since the RVOL of AXS by and large is beneath the edge level. Furthermore, the accompanying graph shows the moving average, MA, of Axie Infinity, AXS, in a fundamentally significant way. The truly current negative circumstance of AXS is supposed to in every practical sense, last till at any rate. Critically, the AXS cost is underneath the multi-day moving normal, demonstrating an extremely clear regrettable pattern, which generally is very huge. A shift in AXS's pattern course in every practical sense, is consistently conceivable, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Be that as it may, the AXS's overall strength file, RSI, for the most part is right now at 49.40. Since this in a real sense is the situation, AXS is hazardously near being oversold. Yet, this gives financial backers genuine serenity so they can exchange unreservedly. Axie Infinity, AXS, price forecast in 2022, ADX, RVI. This time, we'll sort of analyze Axie Infinity's ADX, AXS, which really is genuinely huge. This measurement for the most part is valuable for checking the pattern's general energy, or so they by and large thought. The developing cost range readings truly are arrived at the midpoint of to shape the marker. The DMI pointers and ADX in this approach sort of are an endeavor to measure the power of cost development in both the positive and genuinely bad guidelines, which generally is genuinely huge. The first chart explicitly shows the Axie Infinity ADX, AXS, which is very huge. AXS is exchanging a genuinely thin reach between 12.64 at the present time, which recommends a very dreary pattern in an unpretentious manner. As per the information introduced in the previous diagram, Axie Infinity's fundamentally relative unpredictability file, RVI, AXS, really is opposed to prevalent thinking. Rather than following genuine cost developments, RVI tracks the reliable scattering of those developments across time. AXS's fundamentally relative strength index, RSI, for the most part is under 50, recommending that unpredictability is moving downwards. The overall strength record, RSI, for AXS has arrived at the 49.40 level, which may truly be deciphered as a sell signal, which in every practical sense, is very huge. Axie Infinity, AXS, price forecast in 2023. Axie Infinity, AXS, may maybe generally hit $220 by 2023 assuming that the pace of decrease in costs truly stops altogether and the pattern for the most part pivots. Axie Infinity, AXS, price forecast in 2024, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Axie Infinity, AXS, could explicitly begin moving upwards after various organization overhauls in an especially huge manner. Token cost of AXS could reach $280 by 2024 assuming that it draws in the consideration of institutional financial backers, or so they explicitly thought. Axie Infinity, AXS, price forecast in 2025. To by and large reach $350, Axie Infinity.